maingay. Huwag kayo maingay. Don't say a word. Okay, I'm trying my best to do an ASMR. Panindigan mo yung ASMR mo ha. Okay, sige. Parang hindi ko kaya. So I'm just gonna do my nose line. And then I'm gonna set it with powder. Guys, nahihirap niyo ba ako? Ayan. Hi. This is an ASMR video. Hi. Yahoo. I'm gonna set my face. Maya mo ay daw pa ako sa script. Putang ina mo. Kasi may natutulog sila dito sa likod. So, hindi may pwedeng magsigaw. Now, I'm gonna do my eyeshadow. Ano na naman ang pinagsasabi niyo? Alam mo ba, nag-resign na raw si Eyapa Motonay bilang maksiyan ng president? Hindi ko alam. Bakit daw? I don't know. Okay lang yan. Papansin siya. Kulang siya sa pansin. Utang ina niya.
Time check, 3:21.
Okay, maingay. Angel, black ka sa akin, putang ina mo, Angel. Nilalaro mo ako. Ayoko nang nilalaro ako. Nilalaro niyo ako ha, sige. Putang ina niya! I don't care. I'm back. Hindi ko kaya. Anyways, it's the eyeshadow na. Ibabalik ko lang yung look ko. Kasi everyone is doing it now, so I need to go back. Tama na, ang ganda-gandahan na look. Let's go back. Dahil hindi ko kaya mag-ASMR talaga, swear. I tried anyway. I'm back! Guys, sino nanood ng Rose? Sobrang saya. Sobrang saya ng Rose! Sinong nanood? Walang nanood? Okay. Huwag niyo muna ako laruin sa comment and put. Tigan nyo. Tigan nyo talaga. Tigan nyo. Ibaba ko kayo, be. Sa life ko talaga. Ay, Maxiano Lubog. Okay, block ka sa akin, Carmela. Sige, sige. Comment pa kayo ng mga bad words. Kamustahin nyo naman ako? Puro kay Lubog, leche. Nasan si Maxi? Nasa Davao siya ngayon. Mag-tip kayo sa akin, please. Ayan, mag-tip. Show your love. Tip the queens. Lubot ako. Please, maluoy. That's that. O gana po ko sa ila. Ang sabi ko din sa kanila, walay lami ang inyuhang sudan. It means, sobrang sarap ng food dito. Walay lami. Ibig sabihin ng walay, sobrang sarap. Walay lami. Sudan. Lasag iach. It means lasang masarap. Iach. Lubot ako ninyo, please. Mag-tip kayo. Kaya, kamusta na kaya sila ngayon? Mamaya may show sila. May show sila later. So, let's see. Let's see about that. Face card and swap like my card. I don't wanna lose you now. I'm looking right on the other of me. There's a space and now you're gone. And tell you, baby, it was easy. Hi from Los Angeles. I'm your fan. Sobrang laki naman ng katawan mo, sir. Sir? 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 Hello. How are you, Bob? How are you, Bob? Thank you for being a fan. Can you headlock me? Charot lang. Laki ng katawan ni Bob. For me, I'm feeling good. Hey, watching from Mexico. Leche. Nilalaro mo ako, be. Bab? Nasaan ka, Bab? Bab, where are you, Bab? Hi, Taylor Swift. Ay! Oh my God! Okay. Nagulat ako, Taylor Swift. Andiyan ka pala, nagulat naman mi sa'yo. Nagulat mi sa face mo. Taylor Swift. What is with that? Taylor Swift. Guys, follow nyo si Taylor Swift. Kasi lagi na lang na ano yung account ni. Tawag dito. Nare-report. God. So kawawa naman. Kasi kung ano-ano na pinapost eh. Wala ka sa B-Day ko, kaya nga eh. Kilang yan. Marami ka pang B-Day next year. May B-Day ka pa next year talaga. Huwag ka magtampo, please. Ako naman ang magbabago. Uy, si Hana nandun na. Wala ba si Hana sa birthday mo? Eh kasi paano yan? McDo kami ni Hana, tapos Jollibee ka. Bakla. Charot. Shariz lang. Okay, and we're gonna blend that. We're gonna blend that. We're gonna blend it. We're gonna blend it. What's the blend? Lulubog daw, Maxiana. Ulit-ulit naman, be. Ibablock nga kita. Nainis ako sa mga ganyang comment. Be, matulog ka. Anong oras o hapon pa? Wala nga lulubog, putang ina niyo. Ulit-ulit kayo eh. Ano sabi niya, no? Saan na si Taylor Swift? Saan ka mananakot? Secret. Ano lang, year-end party lang nila. Hindi pa ata sila, tapos Halloween, so I need to, work. Yan! Where's Bob? Charis. Nainan nyo. Baka siya na talaga. Charis. Pag iniisip mo daw ang fave person, malulutang ka daw. Talaga ba? Din ba? Gusto mo, sapakin ko yung sarili mo. Zimba. Gusto mo, sapakin ko yung sarili mo. Zimba, sumagot ka. Alam niyo ba yun? Ma, tong naa ka sa Davao ba? Tong nag-perform kaya kay Duol kaayo ka atong sa akong classmate sayang kaayo wala ko kaadto. That's okay, Clark. Ano pa yung next time eh? Magkita na ta. Isa na yung grade. What's your grade, Clark? Yung mga comment nyo. Hi, Bal! Why is na ats? Okay, go. Where? When? Ako naman ang magbabaman! Ako naman! Whose lashes are these? Bakit ang ganda nito? Kanino to? Oh, these are mine. Akin pala to. Akin pala to. Oh my God, I thought so. Bino kay Kinsa. It's mine pala. It's mine pala. Oh. Kaya na pa shout. Hi, Ash. Asha O'Hara. Two old friends meet again, finding all the faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts apart, somewhere long ago. How are they to know when? Yahoo! Alam niyo, pauto-uto na lang talaga ako sa inyo, no? I gotta take a little time. Sorry, wait. Nag-focus me. Hey guys, kamusta kayo? How is everyone feeling right now? Is everyone feeling happy? Or is everyone feeling sad? Or excited? Or feeling down? Guys, kamusta yung sarili niyo? Kamusta niyo si self, okay? Or kamusta niyo yung friend niyo? Kamusta na kaya sila? Kamusta niyo? Makamusta kayo? K for kamusta. Kamusta ka sis? Ganon. Kasi baka may pinagdadaanan yung mga ibang tao. Ganon. So, we need to check on ourselves, okay? Okay lang naman me. I am thriving. Balik pa rin saya. Feeling down to earth po, leche. Oh my God, nakakatawa! Nima, kasama ka ba sa Pampanga December 20? Hindi, nasa ano ako, nasa Iloilo me. Nasa Iloilo ako. Iloilo ba? Iloilo, love ba? Love? Oh, Iloilo. Sa Iloilo ako na. Kasi hindi ko din sure. Ang laki ng eyeshadow ko. Parang matatakot talaga mga tao ngayon. Ang OA. Okay, whatever. Yes, nasa Iloilo ako. So, if you guys had already bought tickets for you and your friends and to everyone around you, I'll see you. Okay? Kaninong brush to? Hindi akin to. Baka kay Zimba to. Kay Zimba nga. So let's use our eyeliners. Caroline, baka naman. Leche. Si Bob, nasaan si Bob? Are you coming to DragCon LA? Oh my God, Bob! What are you doing here? Pag kinagat ko yung chest mo, Sige ka. What do you mean, am I coming? Girl, of course, I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna see you all, guys. That's why I'm so excited on what 2025 has to offer, because I'm so excited to travel the world and to meet all of my international fans out there. And I think it's gonna be a fun day with me. Because you know what? I'm a fun girl. I'm not a typical girl. I'm a cool girl. Just kidding. Legit. Pagod na ako. Yun lang lahat ng English ko. Kaya, babog mo na akong kausapin, please. Yun na yun. Nung ka muna. Na ano na, Mio? Notice me po, lapit na ng birthday ko, ma. Okay, Ivy. Congrats, Joy. Ivy Joy. Ivy Joy Maronetsi. Ivy, pumili ka ng isang name lang. Ang dami, Ivy. Ivy na, Joy ka pa. Ang dami na. Masyado kang ano. Hi, Jaja Collins. Kaya na, bakit tayo makapansinin? Samantha? Bakit? Wala kang pakialam. Birthday ko po now, idol. Sana mapansin. Leche, gawa-gawa ka na lang, Vince. Gawa-gawa ka na lang. So I'm gonna... Mag-eyeliner muna, Mia. Huwag niyo muna akong ano, storbohin. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Ikaw sa huli palagi. What? No. I think it's not pantay. Saan ba? Nandiyan ba si Maxi? Okay, wala. You guys, you're pranking me, ha? What? Wait. Is it pantay? Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm not breathing. Tapos na, Miyang. Ay, pasweet lang. Pasweet lang yung eyeshadow ko today. Ay, hindi masyado malaki. Okay, work. Parang palpak ata tong eyeshadow na to. I have a feeling. Why is it so cute, though? Ang liit. Tapos sa kabila malaki ito. Oh my God. I fucking knew it. I fucking knew it. Something was wrong. Mas malaki yung eyes ko dito. That's why it's so hard to do this. Look, putang ina. Whatever. Big loser. Oh my God, it's not pantay good. Dili gid siya pantay to. Whatever, eh. She said, Tignan niyo. Nakataray. Look, it's not pantay. What the? Nakakahiya in front of you guys. Para akong nakataray talaga. Itingin mo. Bakla. Wag mo akong tignan. Kailan gumana ng isa? Para pantay. I think we need to do this. Okay, let's try to fix that, okay? Let's try to fix that now. Baka rin na siya ng white liner. Baka isave ng white liner yan. Sis. Yan. Okay, let's try with concealer first. Concealer. Kiana, see you sa Cebu. Oh my God, see you! Pupunta pala mi ng Cebu. And then magdadavaw ako ulit. Cebu and Davao. So, see you. See you, see you, see you, see you. See you, S2. Kiana is 2? Kiana. Kiana S2? Kiana. Oh, I kinda low-key fixed that. Pumunta ako ng Davao, siguro January. Actually, hindi pa siya na-announce. Pero sinabi ko na dito ngayon sa inyo. So, para alam nyo na. And then, sa Cebu, I'll be there on January 16. 16 ba? Hindi ko din sure. Basta Sinulog. Sa Sinulog, pumunta kami dyan. And after that, kasi isipin nyo na pag magkasama tayo, friends lang tayo lahat. Oh my God, hi! Oh my God. Masyadong OA ng iba eh. Magtigom na ko, Ana, para makita na tayo. Yes, pagtigom na, Jod. Please. So we can see each other. And we can, bond together. And let's just be happy. Because I believe that we are living in the world where... Charis lang. So that we're gonna put browns in there, here, in the corner, so it's like connected together. Balik ka na ng Angono, of course. Pag may mga ganap dyan sa Angono. Ang saya kaya nun. Gusto ko makita ulit si Carl. Yung bagets. Oh my God. Kamusta na kaya yun siya? Hindi ko pa siya naka-follow. Hindi pa siya nag-message sa akin. May tatlong bibe akong nakita. Mataba, mamayat mga bibe. Ngunit ang may pakpak sa likod ay isa. Siyang leader na nagsabi ng kwak-kwak. So if you care to find me, look to the western skies. And someone told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. Si Angel, kamusta na si Angel? Okay lang yan. Sino mga nanood ng Rose noong nakaraan? Nandito, may mga nanood ba? May mga nanood ba ka dito ngayon? December, so excited to see you on the 20th of December. Yes, of course. Ma, when on next vlog? I don't know. You tell me, guys, what to do next, because my brain is not giving, okay? So I don't know what to post next. What if pumunta ako ng Davao ngayon? Again, what if? My God! Wala naman akong gagawin after. So, susunod ako. Susunod ako sa kanila. Sige, sendan niyo ako ng GCash para makapunta ako ng Davao ngayon. Chats. Ooh. Skinny. Skin tea. Skin tea. Power top ng Platzi. Power top na Bratzi. I'm one of them so contiyo. One of them so contiyo. Power top na Bratzi. What if no pumunta ako ng Davao ngayon? Hala, hindi pantay na naman tong hayop na to. Ay, naku, nainis na mi. Nainis yung face ko. Shit ka. Nagsikma ko dahil yawa. Limas na kaayo. In fairness. I'm sick. I'm sickening. Weird, quirky. Okay. Okay, work. Okay na yan. Bahala na yan. Oh my God. So, hindi mi naghinga. Okay. That'll work. I'm just gonna do my lashes and I'll be right back. Ayan, nalagay ko na yung lashes ko. Gusto nyo na ba ng makeup tutorial on how I do my makeup? On YouTube? Like in-depth tutorial on how I do. And I explain what I do. Pero lagi nyo naman nakikita na dito eh. So, what the fuck? What the fuck is that shit? What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah. Mas malaki nga lang yung dito. So ito, parang ito siya, ano na siya, mother. She mothered here. And dito parang teenage life pa lang niya. So parang, oh God, I'm still young. I can do whatever what I want. But this, she said, I will be the captain of my own ship. And you do what I say so. Opo. Susundin ko po kayo. Mothered. She mothered. Yawa maning plimas ngik. Nakas Cagayan, wala uy. I'm here at QC. From the home of stars. From the home of stars. Hazlon Province. Oh my goodness. She said, I can do whatever I want. No, don't do that. No, mother. I'm a big girl now. Parang akong tanga dito, guys. Kailangan ko na talaga magmadali. Anong oras na talaga? Pag nag-makeup ako, sila, yan, relax yan sila. Pero mamaya tignan mo. Guguluhin ko yung life niya. I'm gonna make your life miserable. I need to buy. Oh my God, wala na akong ano pala. What do you call this? Glitters. Kasi binigay ko yung glitters ko, so I need to buy more. The fuck? Okay. Kaya nasa wakas, mapapanood na kita ng live next week. Ay, hindi na ako pupunta. Charis. See you. Balik ka Davao. Yes, I will. I will go back to Davao as soon as I can. And gusto ko mag-vacation dyan. Gusto ko medyo matagal ni. Gusto ko magtagal sa Davao. So yun, ang sige tawid sa Davao, katong isa pa ka ano, place. Recall that place? Oh, feet. Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are Asa itong lashes? Mag-4 na! Everyone, I have an announcement. Popular. You gotta be popular. I'll teach you the proper place when you talk to boys.
Hindi ko nito dira.
Lashes?
Wala na dira.
Where did you put it?
That's all lashes.
Itong bottom lashes na po, daghan man to. Na here? Here siya or...
Wala na dira bay.
Uy, daghan ka mo ito.
Nakabox na siya. Dira nakashinin ko nga black. Shein, nakasilapin pa to.
There you have it. Yan. Found it. Everything that has to do with popular. Right! I know about popular. I'll teach you the proper points when you talk to boys. Woo! Beauty, popular. I'll tell you about popular. I'll teach you the proper voice when you talk to boys. Actually, ito ay lashes sa taas, but I'm using it as a bottom lash. Because why not? Because why not? Duh. Andyan sila Ganja? Sure eh. Where is she? Ah! Oh my God, Ma! Laganja, hi sister. How are you? Oh my God, I missed you. Hope you have an amazing gig, sister. You too, my loves. I miss you. Oh my God, where have you been? How's life? How's tour? I hope to see you again and again and again and again forever. I want to live with you. Just kidding. Sister! Oh my God, sister! Sister! Asan ka? You want smoke and sex or no? Just smoke. Do you want to smoke? Girl, there's been a lot of things happening in the Philippines about that coat, smoke, and then after that, sex. Just kidding. I'm gonna put these lashes, these big dusty lashes that I've been using for 2 years. And I know it's infected, but it's alright. That's how it is. These lashes are infected. There's fungus. There's a lot of bacteria here. So, work to that. Oh my goodness. I forgot about these lashes. They are giving me that sensation. Sister, where are we going? Sister, you're watching. I'm shy. I'm so shy. That's why you have to send me money. No, I'm just kidding. And it's not 2 years, it's just a year. This lashes, I've been using this since the filming. So I don't know what's in this now. Because my other lash was like, I don't know where it was. So that's that. That's that. See the difference? I can't, your poor eyes. Okay, let's put it here. Because the last time you saw me, I was like, I'm doing some girly shits. This is how I literally do my makeup on a daily basis. But when I saw you, I said, I want to be trans today. So, you know, my makeup just got very simpler and very light. So, like, you know, the vibe, it really depends on the vibe. Look, this is the look I usually do. Like very extravagant, very queen, drag queen look like. I look like I've been doing drag for 10 fucking years. Look at that. You can call me mother. Okay, whatever. Nandiyan si Zimba. Nandiyan si Zimba. Zimba ding. Hi sis. Maka-brother naman to. Zimba da Bing? Not today. Okay. She said. She said. Girl, are you not living? Come on now. No, come on now. Okay. Let's do their lips and then let's call it a day. Kasi, napagod na mi mag-English. Putang ina mo lagan dyan eh. Naiinis na mi sa'yo sis. Napapagod na mi mag-English. Love you, sister. If I am gonna pick Zimba, nasan si Zimba? Mag-join ba siya? Huwag na. Huwag na mag-join. Let's go. Join pa. Oh my god, I wanna eat first before I do my hair. That. Oh my god. Lutang ina, there's a fucking pimple. Zimba Dabing? Wala na sila ganja. Ate, laganja ko saan ka man nilagay ni Lord. Perfect yan. Kasi, ano eh. I wanna smoke. Charas. I wanna smoke, you guys. Yawa, naging pimples bay, abas. Oh my god, karon pa jud girl. Ngayon pa talaga ako nagka-pimples kung kailan ako magli-lip liner. What the fuck? Ano nangyayari, guys? Ano naman pinagsasabi niyo? Hindi pantay. O, lahat na lang hindi pantay. Itlog mo nga, di pantay, be. Wow. Wait lang! Excited kayo. Alam niyo ba dapat ASMR talaga tong video na to? The Thick. Wait lang ba? Excited si Kim eh. Actually, naglisod na gigog Tagalog, guys. Divine. Adiva. Adiva. Sa pag ganyan ng look, walang makeup. Walang kilay. So, let's put some graphic liner shit. Di pantay ito. Ito ka. Charot. Ayaw naman mabiro. Ano yan? Pantay lang yan. Pantay na yan, be. Inis me ako sa'yo. Magkilay ko or... Okay, magkilay ta. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Wala ina eh. Okay. Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Dito pwede, wait. Hindi to totoo, hindi to totoo. Wait, hindi to totoo. Kailangan ko i-check. Wait, hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo. Kailangan ko i-check. Wait lang. I need to... Wait. Hindi to totoo. Wait lang, i-check ko lang. Okay, I'm good na. Ganyan lang yung kilay. Very... The fuck? Bratzy lang. Gotta show the world what we're all about it. Ooh, rats. Iconic. Iconic. Okay. We're just gonna set that with translucent. Okay. And then brushed. And dito si Belatan. Daya, wala pa nag-reply, pisti. Silver na lang. Okay, mag-blonde bang ko. Kasi bakit ito. Walang ano. Where is that eyeliner? Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Chocolate. Nakunsa si Zimba. Ang ginagawa ni Zimba. Hi, everyone. I'm just gonna do the lines of my eyebrows. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Hindi to totoo. What the fuck? Just gonna blend that in. Okay. Okay. Work. Done. I'm done, y'all. Okay, bye na. Thank you guys for watching today. And I am so happy that you're happy. And huwag niyong kakalimutan, mustahin niyo yung sarili niyo. And ang mga love niyo sa buhay. Charas. I'm with Maris Racal. Medyo ano siya ngayon, ayun yung unang kumausap ng mga tao. Yun.
Okay, depressed pa.
Yan si Marisa.
Hi everyone, good evening. Should I say wake up?
Yeah, good evening. Or should I say, wake the fuck up.
Kaya na nila pa. Kaya kung yun na niya. Kaya na kung sabi.
Okay na naman. Kuha na lang akong wig na human, katong blonde. Or dito na lang kumagano.
Nasa malay ka.
Ang wig na dako, katong na bangs.
Ay, pwede pa.
Abas!
OMG.
Katong orange na coat.
Oh, nana dira.
Dala to nimo pati to iyang katong tali-tali.
Wala ka pang kontra.
Katong coat, ano tong tali kaya ako to siya ibutang sa iyong diri oh. Para marag na yung props sa iyong ulo. Tapos, so, awit. Bye. para sa mga babae. Ayan, meron akong nunal dyan, so ilalagyan ko lang siya. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the live. Oh my god. Okay, bye-bye.